integrated body and excellent wind resistance, Flying X 22G makes flying so easy. Only one key takeoff. You can start your wonderful journey. Even more, high-capacity battery for up to 20 minutes of flight control time and up to 150 to 300 meters control distance. FX22G is 2 versions configuration, 2.4G Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi for choice. Come on, let's take a break and fly to sky. With accurate GPS positioning system and app flight control software on mobile phone, you can watch the flight status in real time. Besides, it is equipped with high-definition camera, which can be adjusted up and down 90 degrees for a wide-angle shooting. Now press 1 key surrounded function. You can take pictures of yourself. Also turn on 1 key follow function and start creative aerial photography. Humanized flight control system fully guarantees can accurately reach the designated waypoints and finish the planned route successfully. When press 1 key return or battery is low or signal loss or even powered off of remote controller, aircraft will automatically return to the original takeoff point via the GPS positioning system. Since it has built-in stable gyro, landing will be smooth. Excellent flight performance and intelligent flight control operation allows you to break the limit of space. Stunning picture and videos at any time, anywhere.